Look around you. Inspiration can strike from the most unexpected places. What if the patterns on your coffee cup, the texture of a fallen leaf, or even the folds of a simple napkin could spark incredible creativity? That's the fascinating idea behind Napkin AI, a concept exploring how artificial intelligence can find and translate the hidden beauty and unique characteristics of everyday objects into something entirely new. While Napkin AI might not be a single, off-the-shelf product just yet, it represents a powerful and growing trend in artificial intelligence, the ability to learn from and reimagine the world around us in surprising ways. Think of it as training an AI to see the artistic potential in the mundane. Imagine feeding an AI an image of a simple paper napkin. It analyzes its colors, its texture, the way it's folded, even the subtle variations in its material. Then, using sophisticated algorithms, the AI can generate entirely new outputs inspired by these seemingly insignificant details. This isn't about simply copying what the AI sees. It's about the AI's ability to abstract, interpret, and reimagine the underlying essence of an object. It can find hidden patterns, extrapolate unique textures, and even translate visual information into other creative mediums. The potential applications of this Napkin AI concept are vast and exciting. Art and design. Imagine artists using AI to find unexpected starting points for their creations, generating unique color palettes, textures, and abstract forms from everyday items. Textile and fashion design. As we saw in our Lookbook example, the patterns and textures of everyday objects could inspire entirely new fabric designs and clothing lines. Music composition. The subtle rhythms and sonic textures of everyday sounds could be analyzed and transformed into musical pieces. Writing and poetry. The structure and feel of an object could inspire new forms of written expression. Product innovation. Designers could use AI to find novel forms and functionalities for everyday products, inspired by the objects themselves. The beauty of this approach lies in its ability to democratize creativity. It suggests that inspiration isn't limited to traditional sources but can be found all around us, waiting to be unlocked by the perceptive eye of artificial intelligence. While a specific Napkin AI product might not exist in its fully realized form, the underlying technology and the creative potential it represents are very real. AI is increasingly being used as a partner in the creative process, offering new perspectives and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. By training AI to see the world in new ways, we're opening up a universe of creative possibilities, proving that even the simplest of objects, like a humble napkin, can hold the key to extraordinary innovation. So, the next time you encounter something ordinary, take a closer look. You never know what kind of extraordinary inspiration it might hold, especially with the help of AI.